Welcome to our review of the top 10 best beard trimmers of 2024. Let's dive into each model to help you find the perfect grooming tool for your needs. Number 1. Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer All-in-One Trimmer Series 3000 13-Piece Men's Grooming Kit. This versatile trimmer offers 13 grooming pieces to handle all your facial hair needs. Its precision blades ensure a clean and even trim every time. With no blade oil needed, maintenance is a breeze. However, some users may find it slightly bulky for travel. Pros: versatile with 13 grooming pieces. Precision blades for a clean trim. No blade oil needed for maintenance. Cons: bulky design may not be ideal for travel. Number 2. Wahl Micro Groomsman Battery Personal Trimmer. This compact trimmer is perfect for on-the-go grooming. Its interchangeable heads make it suitable for eyebrows, neckline, nose, ears, and more. However, some users may find the battery life relatively short. Pros: compact and portable design. Interchangeable heads for versatile grooming. Cons: short battery life may require frequent charging. Number 3. Manscaped The Beard Hedger Premium Men's Beard Trimmer. With a stainless steel T-blade and 20 length adjustable settings, this trimmer offers precise grooming for your facial hair. Its cordless and waterproof design allows for convenient use in the shower. However, its higher price point may not be suitable for all budgets. Pros: stainless steel T-blade for precise grooming. Cordless and waterproof design for convenience. Cons: higher price point may be a deterrent for some users. Certainly, here are the continuations. Number 4. Philips Norelco Multi-Groom Series 7000 Men's Grooming Kit. This grooming kit is a comprehensive solution for all your grooming needs, covering beard, head, hair, body, groin, and face. Its no blade oil needed feature simplifies maintenance. However, some users may find it slightly pricey compared to other options. Pros: comprehensive grooming solution for various body parts. No blade oil needed for maintenance. Cons: higher price point compared to similar models. Number 5. Philips Norelco Multi-Groom Series 5000 18-Piece. With 18 grooming pieces, this trimmer offers versatility for beard, face, hair, body, and intimate grooming. Its no blade oil feature adds convenience to maintenance. However, some users may find it lacking in power for thicker hair. Pros: versatile with 18 grooming pieces. No blade oil needed for maintenance. Cons: may lack power for thicker hair. Number 6. Wahl Groomsman Rechargeable Beard Trimmer Kit. This rechargeable trimmer kit is suitable for mustaches, nose hair, and light detailing. The bonus wet, dry battery nose trimmer adds value to the package. However, some users may find it less durable compared to other models. Pros: rechargeable for convenience. Bonus wet, dry battery nose trimmer included. Cons: may be less durable than other models. Number 7. Panasonic Cordless Men's Beard Trimmer. With 19 length settings and a precision dial, this trimmer offers customizable grooming options. Its rechargeable battery and washable design add to its convenience. However, some users may find it lacking in durability over time. Pros: customizable grooming with 19 length settings. Rechargeable battery and washable design for convenience. Cons: may lack durability in the long run. Number 8. Wahl Groomsman Battery Operated Facial Hair Trimmer. This battery-operated trimmer is ideal for beard and mustache trimming, as well as light detailing and body grooming. Its compact design makes it travel-friendly. However, some users may find it less powerful compared to corded options. Pros: compact and travel-friendly design, suitable for various grooming needs. Cons: less powerful compared to corded options. Number 9. Andis 04780 Professional T-Outliner Beard and Hair Trimmer. Featuring a carbon steel T-blade and bump-free technology, this trimmer ensures precise and comfortable grooming. Its corded design ensures consistent power. However, some users may find it slightly noisy during operation. Pros: carbon steel T-blade for precise grooming, corded design for consistent power. Cons: may be noisy during operation. Number 10. Remington All-in-One Grooming Kit. This lithium-powered grooming kit offers versatility with 8 grooming pieces, including a trimmer, shaver, clippers, and combs. Its affordability makes it an attractive option for budget-conscious users. However, some users may find its battery life relatively short. Pros: versatile with 8 grooming pieces. Affordable option for budget-conscious users. Cons: short battery life may require frequent charging. With these comprehensive overviews, you can now choose the best beard trimmer that suits your grooming needs and preferences.